Hello, my name is Billy McDaniel. I'm going to help you learn how to create objects in Blender. Objects that you can use as props to help you design levels for your Unity game projects. In order to get started, I've created an entire section on just terminology so that we can both be speaking the same language. So for example, let's say I ask you to add a mesh, create a cube, go into edit mode, select a face, extrude, scale. All of these things are very simple terminology. If I say these words, you should be able to follow them with ease. So make sure to review the terminology section and understand the content before going on to some of the more advanced lectures. You'll notice that the lectures are recorded in order of difficulty. So the earliest lectures are easiest and the ones farthest back are more difficult. There's nothing in this course that you can't do. It's just a matter of time. So please take your time, learn the material. Be sure to practice everything that I talk about in each lecture. Don't just watch the material, but actually open up Blender and do the things that I ask. So with that said, welcome to Blender. Let's start blending.